Hello, my name is Kelly Matmati. I'm the Chair of Neurology and Stroke Program Director for Hartford Healthcare Ayer Neuroscience Institute for the Fairfield region. I am a neurologist, and neurology deals with disorders of the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Specifically, I'm a stroke neurologist, and I deal with strokes affecting the brain and spinal cord. I decided to be a doctor once I was already in graduate school for neurosciences. I chose neurology because I was very interested in the human brain, and I feel like understanding the human brain is one of the last frontiers in science. The most gratifying thing about working with a patient is when I see them after having had a stroke, and they come back several months later and they have improved to the point where they're independent and they're able to do the things that they love to do. One of the main treatments we use is called Alteplase, or TPA. And it's a clot-busting medication that we give when someone comes in with stroke symptoms, and it helps to bust up the clot and helps the patient recover more fully. Endovascular stroke treatment, or stroke thrombectomy, it has been developed more recently and has been shown to be effective over the last 7 to 10 years or so. As the stroke director at St. Vincent's Hospital, I oversee all of the stroke care for patients in the hospital. I review the cases with the neurologists on service, and we make sure that they're getting the appropriate care that they need and that they're getting the rehabilitation services that they need so they can make a more full recovery. As a chair of the Department of Neurology, I oversee the neurological care for all of the neurological specialists in the Fairfield region for Hartford Healthcare. Referring providers should know that if they send a patient to me for stroke, that I would do a very thorough workup and try to identify the cause of the stroke and make sure their patient is on the right treatment to prevent another stroke in the future. Outside of medicine, I enjoy spending time with my family, and I like to run and I like to travel.